What's up, guys? So I know I haven't been vlogging as much as I wish I could. I just been busy. Decided to start working a little bit more, so been busy with that and been busy with the car as well. A lot of new things have been happening to Z. One of them was I changed wheel colors, and now the wheels are going to be gloss black, which I'm actually going to go pick up right now. Then I'm going to show you guys, since you guys are my subscribers, I'm going to show you guys the actual whole livery. And you guys are only going to get an exclusive look just because you guys are subscribers. Everyone else from social media and stuff like that is just going to have to wait. Unless they're actually subscribed as well, then it's a benefit for them. But I kind of want to keep some stuff on YouTube and some stuff away from other social medias, just so it doesn't get repetitive, because I know some of you guys follow me on Instagram and stuff like that. I don't want you guys to see the same thing over and over again. I want to keep some stuff exclusive to YouTube. So I'm gonna start doing a lot of do-it-yourselves too on here for 370Z platform. Since I'm actually gonna get rid of this hatchback that I'm in right now, I just don't need it anymore. My girlfriend doesn't need it anymore as well. She uses it like here and then, but not as often as I wish she would. She'd rather prefer driving her car. So even though she's racking up a lot of miles on it, she's just gonna end up going with a project car with that car sooner or later. And she's probably gonna just upgrade to like a luxury car later on, probably like a ISF or something like that. I'm also gonna get rid of my truck, which we'll actually be using later on, because we got to take the wheels and tires together to go get mounted back. So yeah, guys, that's a whole different story for a whole nother day. I just don't use the truck as often as I wish I used it as well, especially with these gas prices, guys. They're fucking killing me. But that's just with that, guys. So let's head over to Full Spectrum powder coating in San Luis Obispo. Well, it's actually more Ascadero side of San Luis Obispo. So let's head over there right now, pick up the wheels, get them mounted, and then get them on the Z, and I'll give you guys an exclusive look on what's been going on with the Z. What's up, guys? So I just got back home, mounted up the wheels. Bad news, one of the lug nuts got stripped, so I'm gonna have to do that, and then I'm gonna have to clean this one out. So I'm gonna have to probably go get a new set of work lug nuts. But right now, what I'm doing right now is I'm putting a jet seal on the wheels. So it's like, basically, if you guys can't afford ceramic coating, you guys could go hit up chemical guys, get some jet seal. It acts the same way, but it's not glass, so it's not going to protect it as well, but it definitely keep all that dirt away from it, such as brake dust, stuff that you encountered on the road, like oils and stuff like that. It'll help it stay clean, and also it's also I guess how you pronounce it is hydrophonic. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but basically it repels water as well. You basically put it on, you basically clean the wheel with a detailer, and then you're gonna go ahead and apply this on with the applicator pad, which is basically a foam pad. You can buy them at any O'Reilly's or AutoZone, etc. Like a lot of these laying around, brand new. You'll never use an old one, because sometimes they have like little rocks and stuff inside of them, so you always want to use a fresh one every time you're doing something new, just in case so you don't scratch your finish. So this one's a new one. Apply the jet seal. You let the jet seal sit for just about like 20 minutes, and then sorry about I'm kind of holding the camera and doing this. It's kind of pretty hard. So you basically let the jet seal sit on wherever you're putting it on for 20 minutes. You let it cure, and then you buff it out, and then you're gonna be left with a nice super glossy finish. Just in case if sometimes even though you have a brand new paint job or whatever, sometimes gloss skips like some grooves inside your paint and stuff like that, so it'll definitely fill it in, make it look shiny again. And that's one of the benefits of where dirt doesn't grab as much as it would without this protection. So you definitely want to apply this on brand new wheels. if you get them. Even on old wheels, guys, just make sure to polish them, detail them real quick, and then apply this on. And then that's about it, guys. You don't really have to apply that much on. You just apply like a circle of the product on, and then you go to work. You just massage it in. You don't have to do like any kind of special you know, weird application procedures or nothing like that. Just make sure it has a clean surface. Especially brand new products, I would still suggest to go ahead and get some detailer spray and apply it on and get rid of that dust that, you know, sometimes it gets just from laying around. Even if it's brand new, guys, it'll still get dust just from laying around. So go ahead and give it a quick wipe and then apply this on and leave it on for 20 minutes, and then after that buff it out. Alright, guys, so I know I promised you guys YouTubers a quick glimpse at the 370Z, since you guys are the ones who are, you know, supporting me and, you know, encouraging me to keep going on. So this is the Livery, guys. I painted the black tail lights, the gloss tinted black. It's a little bit dirty right now, and then also the Muse wing got wrapped as well. So this is how the back is looking all aggressive in the back. That's how the wheels are looking from kind of far away, and that's how the front's looking. It's not sitting all the way down right now, guys, because I just took it off jack stands. I barely got the wheels back and etc. Let me show you the front. Yo, looks sick, right? Tell me in the comments below, guys, if you guys think this is sick. It's come a long way. I've probably been working on this car for like 2 months now, and I know Instagram or nobody's seen it yet. So this is gonna be the first reveal. It's not finished yet, guys. Still needs to touch up some graphics on. Some numbers are gonna go on right here on this door. It's gonna be 17 with some special design. So that's how the back looks like right now. I don't know if you guys ever seen the Porsche Livery, the ones that actually participate in actual races and stuff like that, circuit races. So this is what inspired me with this Livery, and it came out super clean. Thanks to Mel's dope for that. I'll leave a link for his Instagram below if you guys ever want to get your car wrapped by him. Came out super clean, guys. Look at that, super dope. Both sides match. Let me show you the other side. Then we got those gloss black wheels. The fenders, I'm not sure if you guys saw them on this channel yet, but I bought these fenders from Infinite. I think it's called Infinite Element. So they're carbon fiber. Yes, guys, they're real carbon fiber. A lot of people well, not a lot of people, but a lot of companies have hated on my vehicle before, because they say, oh, it's fake carbon, blah blah. Yeah, bro, like, how could you say a part's fake if it's still carbon? You know, it's a replica of another part that I got inspired by, but it's still a real product. It's not made out of toothpaste and freaking sticks, you know. So that's the gloss black wheels right there. Got the work lug nuts, Akibonos, R1 rotors. They're kind of rusted up right now because they haven't been used, but once you get to using them, all the rust comes off. Obviously a lot of you guys already know that, so let me show you from this side. So it's missing those numbers on the side, which are going to be done on Thursday, and I'll be giving you guys another update on, you know, a full, you know, back view of the car. It's looking super aggressive, guys. If you guys were to see this in person, you would be like, damn. Okay, guys, that's what I've been up to. I also polished the hood and, you know, also protected it with jet seal as well. That's why it's super glossy right now. It's kind of dusty, but it's super glossy. I also blacked out a lot of panels inside, as you could tell. Looks pretty sick, right? So I blacked out obviously the actual window controllers and, you know, locks. So, and then I also blacked out the handle for the door, this bezel. I blacked out the bezel for speedometer. I'm gonna block these out right here too because they're silver. They don't match with anything else. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure if you guys knew, but I got my new harness bar in the back already installed. I gotta install my new Takata seat belts as well on the other side. I've just been lagging on that. Also, guys, I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but I got my new Nismo
shift knob. Damn, guys, this thing's like pretty small. Look at my hand, and it's pretty small, but it feels so good though. I mean, it's small, but it feels good. Also, I also installed my methanol kit. That's why you guys see this little lights right here, and there's gonna be the kill switch for it, just in case if I don't want to use it, and I could use a different map with ECU Tech. And then there's gonna be my front dash right there. Sorry if I'm giving you a different view. Yeah, that's gonna be carbon fiber on the middle, a little bit of white in the middle. It still flows pretty nicely, guys, because the car is white. So just in the middle, got the white to match that harness bar in the back, so it's white. Let me show you the back real quick. Alright. Well, I would show you guys the back, but apparently I forgot my keys somewhere. Let me see if I can find them.
This is going to be the back right now. I'm going to try to get some kind of carbon fiber panel right here in order to be able to, you know, just go around the whole system for the snow performance. It's already installed. I just got to hook up all the wires and stuff like that. I'm in no rush right now because I'm not actually going to tune it for a little while. But yeah, guys, so when you guys install it, you have to, of course, remove your panel. Then you also have like a foam right here. It's gonna be a long foam. You're gonna have to take one of the side panels out in order to be able to snake that thing out. And then obviously take out your carpet. I'm gonna take this one out as well, just like that. So, and it's gonna give you a lot of room to work, and then you'll be able to get that line that's gonna go straight to your intakes, and you'll be able to sneak it to the bottom, and you'll be able to lead it up to the front. And that's the way that you're gonna be able to introduce that to the actual charge pipes or intakes, whichever ones you have. But a lot of you guys already know that I'm boosted, and I need the methanol kit to keep the whole engine cool and give me better performance while on the track or off the track. But yeah, guys, that's the update for now. I'm gonna leave you guys at that. I do want to show you guys my new daily though. Let me go check it out. Before we check out the daily, guys, look at that gloss. Came out super clean. I don't care if they're freaking supposedly not legit wheels, whatever. Cosmic wheels have never given me a problem, or ever never heard of problems with Cosmic wheels itself. I personally like them. I've never had a problem with them. Professional drifters also use them, so this one's done as well. Got that jet steel on there, looking super glossy. Yeah, guys, I just got to put some tire shine and I'm good to go. This is my new daily. It's gonna be an SUV, the Rogue. Pretty comfortable car. I had to give up the truck, you know. I just had it sitting there. I wasn't even using it. So I needed something that, you know, was good on gas, and you know, we still had a lot of room in it. The cool thing about this one, guys, it has all the crazy ass features that all these modern cars have, and it wasn't even that much. Got it for 14, which is not much for almost a brand new car. It's a 2017. It's pretty legit. I got it in blue. Pretty cool. Going mobbing deep with this one right here. This one's pretty cool. Reason being that it has this pretty cool hidden like third row seating right here. Let me see if I can pull it out. I was like, check that out. It's pretty cool, huh? So I'll give a little bit less room in the back, but I don't mind it. At least I'll be able to fit a cool, what is that, 7 people in here, and a small compact SUV. I mean, it won't give them much leg room though. I mean, these could go forward still, but still, guys, it's pretty cool. I mean, you can put some kids here in the back, and then you can put the adults in the front, and you have this seat as well that goes up as well. Pretty cool, right? It even has cup holders for them and stuff like that on the sides. It's pretty legit, pretty cool. Even has a tent in the back, all that stuff going on. Yeah, but I'm pretty happy with this purchase, guys. I'd even put these up, I think so. I don't know, I'll figure it out later. I just barely got it today. They dropped it off. I made a deal with them yesterday, and yeah, I took the truck, and now I got this thing in the middle right here.
You even have some cup holders right here. Let's see, this is how you pull it. Okay, let's see. So we have 4 people back here, 2 in the back, 2 in the middle. Cup holders right here for the middle people. Or you could have 5 people up here. I don't know, it's pretty cool. Pretty happy with it. Everything's fairly new. There's just a couple scratches here and there. I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Yeah, you guys probably see it around more often than you guys ever saw my truck around. Since I'll actually be getting good gas with this and be taking it to work and stuff like that. Finish up the design. Alright guys, so now I'm officially gonna sign off. I know I said I was gonna sign off before, but I just wanted to give you guys a full go around at that library that me and Most Dope came up with. This is exactly inspired by Porsche library for the racing, official racing designs. Also, these are also inspired by the GT2 or GT3. I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure you guys could tell by that design. Yeah, guys. I'm really happy with everything, how it came out. If you guys ever want to get a custom livery or something like mine, but please just don't copy my exact one, go ahead and hit up Most Dope. He's not gonna let you copy mine exact design, but he'll definitely work with something that you have in your mind, and he'll make it come to life. And you know, he'll give you proofs and stuff like that, and you know, you could either approve it, move on to a different design, stuff like that, and then once you're ready to go, you just drop it off and come back and pay him, and you're set. Mine just took a little longer, guys, just because, you know, I was adding a little bit of stuff here and there, and then my wheels had to get powder coated, and then so he had to, you know, wait on me for that, because the car was on jacks. But now, guys, it's really officially done, and you guys can see it in person on Z-Day on May 18th in Ascadero. So I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, take care, peace out.